Hi guys, we were at Crediton Station Crossing in Devon with Spike the Frog. Time is 17:14. And I think the next train goes to this crossing, the first Great Western service from Exmouth to Barnstable. Here it is. Yeah, from Exmouth to Barnstable. This level crossing is controlled by the signal box. It's only got one siren. Well, one alarm. Most people call it alarms. First Great Western service from Exmouth to Barnstable. Just leaving. We have 15:33:05. 15:33:05 to the train started the signal line. To 15:33:05 to 14:36:21. I think she's going off. Film this side because the sound's on this side. Steve, film that side with the halogen lights. Anyway, that's the old safe-foot barriers, old time but new LED lights. It's created some other crossing guard, creates a station of crossing guards, and I'll say, and I'll see you in the next video.